Oh my god, this is not my color. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Lina and I'm a haircutting specialist and hairstylist, and I'm also certified in color analysis. And so in this video, we're gonna talk a little bit about what seasons you are so that you can make better informed decisions as to what colors are going to enhance your complexion, whether you're going to buy makeup or whether you're going to color your hair. Now, I do want to preface this by saying that color analysis, especially seasonal color analysis, is a very detailed kind of process, and it's something that you should hire a color analyst for. So it's not something that you can just figure out on YouTube. I think that because our skin tones are so complicated and a lot of us are mixed races, and so sometimes it takes like an hour to 2 hours with someone who's a professional to really figure out your skin tone. But this is a beginner video, so I'm going to quickly help you figure out how you can figure out your colors using just drapes. Okay, so over here I have 4 different colors of metallic drapes. This is what we would use to figure out what color a client should wear in terms of jewelry. So this is a pure warm gold. This would be considered the gold that you should wear if you are in spring. This one is a really nice not matte, it's a muted silver, and this would be considered part of the summer because summer is a cool season, and so this would be for the summer, and spring is warm, so spring would be that. And this one is a really nice warm gold. It's a beautiful warm gold, and this would be considered a good color to wear if you are in autumn. This would be a good color to wear for jewelry, or even like sometimes I'm thinking of like highlights, like if you are gonna go gray, this is part of the winter season. So if you are a winter, this is what you want to be wearing. Winter is considered a cool season, so you want to wear silvers, you don't want to wear golds. I hope this is making sense. If I lose you, let me know in the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on myself, then we can talk about what's going on here. So when you want to do a color analysis, you want to make sure that everything is taken off. You're not wearing any makeup, you're facing daylight, your natural color is showing, your natural hair color is showing. If it's not, then what we would do is just cover the hair, so all we see is just your natural skin tone. But I have a lot of makeup on today, and I'm gonna put this up against my skin. And it's good that I'm also wearing white. This is the kind of very crisp winter white. This is a good white, actually. For the longest time, I couldn't figure out what I should be wearing. I wear both gold and silver because both look good on me. I also wear rose gold. So I was really, really confused about my skin tone. I had no idea what to wear. When I put this up against my skin, it doesn't look bad. It's not washing me out, but the first thing you want to look for is, do I look disconnected or does it look harmonious? The things that we want to look for is kind of looks like you just got a facelift. If your eyes look brighter and the whites of your teeth also look very white. So when I put this up against my face, it looks okay, but it doesn't look harmonious. I still see, with a trained eye, I also see a lot of warmth in my skin. The more I do this, the better I get at detecting kind of if people have warm or cool in their skin. I'm gonna take the gold and I'm gonna put this on top, and I'm gonna check now. It looks good, but if we were to flip this back and forth, this doesn't look bad, and this doesn't look too bad either. It's kind of like, okay. As an artist, I would tell you, well, can we just mix these two together? Can you mix like a winter and a summer together and get a color that would work? So we put this on and it's like, it's okay, but I feel like the gold is just washing me out. And I think this is why I don't like being blonde. So I'm gonna try this one now. And this is a muted silver. This is a silver that is, oh my god, this is not my color. You can see a serious disconnection between my face and the clothes. And the way you know if you're wearing a good color or not is when people compliment you, not the clothes you're wearing. So if they look at you and they say, wow, nice color, versus, wow, you look great, your skin tone looks amazing, you look well rested, that's when you know you're wearing a good color for you. But if they're only complimenting your clothes, not good. So now we're gonna try with this one. Ooh. So I'm using studio lights today because it's cloudy out and the sun kind of pops in and out, so it would have a very different effect. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea of what we're doing. I like this much, much more. It's much deeper. It's a very elegant tone. I still feel like it's not like amazing. Do you know what I mean? So this is part of the autumn. So this would be autumn. If I come closer, I like it. I just still feel like, this wasn't bad either. this was nice too. Like I'm still wearing a winter white shirt and it looks great. So I'll tell you the reason for this. It's because I'm actually in between 2 seasons. I'm not just 1 season. Ah, surprise. So my colors, I'm actually gonna go bring my colors. Be right back. Okay, so this is a dress that I wore to, this is the dress that I wore to my brother's wedding. It's like a really beautiful backless dress. I got this at lulu.com. And I love this because it's a rose gold color, and look at how great this looks. This is a nice rose gold that works for people who are in between seasons, like a warm and cool season. Because autumn is considered a warm season and winter is considered a cool season, I kind of just want to blend these two together. So I want like a gold that is not too harsh. It really brings out my skin tone because rose gold is considered to be kind of like an in-between color. Some people would argue that because it's considered red or pink that it is a warm color. I think it's just a really good combination of warm and cool, and it's a nice in-between. Now, there are tons and tons and tons of shades of rose gold. I could go a little bit deeper, probably. I feel like this one's a little bit like washing me out a little bit, but it is a much better match than this one or this one. This one looks like I look really disconnected, and this one looks really disconnected as well, and so I love the rose gold. Now my actual season is actually in between winter and autumn, so winter is cool and autumn is warm, and it's actually a deep. So these are the colors that I should be wearing. Like look at this. This is incredible. This color is so me. I don't even need to really do anything. Like this is how I would just, I put this on and I'm ready to go. And honestly, when you put these colors on and they vibe with you, I swear there's like a feeling of like relief. I feel like this is me. It's kind of like when you change your hair color, and I hate being a blonde. Whenever I get blonde done, I'm like, I hate it. I always want to go darker. And when I go darker, I just feel an immense sense of relief. So it's the same thing when you're wearing the right colors of makeup, you're wearing your clothing. When you wear the right clothing, you feel like yourself. Other people are going to compliment you on how great you look. And it's just, it just feels amazing. It feels really, really good. So I'm very limited in the palette of colors that I can wear. It's really hard to find these colors because they're much more expensive to make. So whenever I find a color that I like, I just buy like as many of them as I can. So I do have some sweaters and shirts and burgundies, and I do have some teal as well. So that is it for this video. I hope this kind of helped you kind of figure out what colors you can wear or not. You can buy these fabrics at a fabric store and try it yourself, or you can get in touch with me directly and I can order them for you if you want the whole package. There is a kickback that I get if I do order these for you guys. So if you are interested, please let me know. It's a really, really fascinating, fun project to figure out what you can wear, and it makes your life so much more easier. Thank you guys for coming along and learning all about colors with me. Let me know if you want to see anything else in the comments, and let me know if this helped or if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.